The idea today is to get them thinking about the depth of the issues, underlying the headlines. This issue is about systemic change, and no one organisation can do that. And so what's really important is to allow the different combinations of effort and assets and willingness to come together and start to deliver. Hopefully we can start that today.
It's great to meet people, have that general chat, but also start to discuss some of the real topics that we need to take forward to tackle the things on biodiversity and the climate change emergency, but also to make sure that we're valuing our resources and using them appropriately.
Our priority needs to be continuing to provide safe, wholesome drinking water, but we can't do that on our own. It's hugely important we work with other landowners to get that raw water quality to the best standard we can.
Well, I think as individual organisations, we can't do things by ourselves. We've got limited resources, both financially and people. We're looking for land management change, and that means working with farmers and landowners, using the best skills that we've got to make that happen.
A big piece of work that I've been involved in recently has been the biodiversity deep dive that the Minister mentioned in her keynote speech. A big part of that has been collaborative working. It's been having those discussions with a range of stakeholders about how we collectively can work together to tackle the range of problems that we see.
The only way we can deliver really is through partnerships. I think we can move together and we can help one another. So I think there'll be a lot of follow-on conversations that'll take place after the conference, and a lot of value will be created out of that.